Hey there, wizards and witches. Professor Adam here, and I'm going to talk to you about this fascinating world of magic. Consider this your letter of acceptance into Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Now here you get to perfect your wizarding skills in this interactive, creative, spell-binding program. Find out which house you belong to, all while learning how to mix potions with different chemicals. Perfect the use of your wand by learning the proper motions and enunciations of spells. Identify different plants through herbology, and much, much more. Now, by enrolling into Hogwarts Academy, you can experiment with charms to defend others against the dark arts, learn about Quidditch by crafting your very own golden snitch with art supplies. You can even observe magical creatures by studying their environments, their abilities, and the histories of their discoveries. Have you ever heard of Newt Scamander? Well, you will now. Now, if you're ready to begin your quest into this fantastical world, I can actually hear the headmaster calling. Step on up and follow me on the platform 9 3/4 to finally start your journey. You are now welcomed by the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry and the Ministry of Magic.